I'll guide you through removing Powered by Shopify from your store, why it builds brand trust, and how to edit your theme code directly if needed. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Removing the default Powered by Shopify footer text is one of the easiest ways to give your storefront a clean, professional appearance and build customer trust. By default, Shopify includes this tagline on every new store, but you can remove or customize it in less than 2 minutes. The no-code method is the fastest, safest way to remove the tagline across your theme without touching code. Log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. Navigate to Online Store and click Themes. Find your active theme, click the 3 dots menu next to it, and select Edit Default Theme Content. In the search box at the top, type Powered. Under the footer section, locate the Powered by Shopify field. Click inside the box and press the spacebar once. Leaving a single space overrides the default text and leaves the field blank on your live site. Click Save in the top right corner. If your store is still password protected before launch, the tagline will also display on your Coming Soon page. Staying inside the Edit Default Theme Content page, look for the Powered by Shopify HTML field. Click inside the box, press the spacebar once, and click Save. If you decide to replace it with a custom brand text instead of leaving the footer blank, you can brand it with your own copyright message. Directly inside the Powered by Shopify text box, type your custom text, for example, Copyright 2026 your brand name. Click Save to display your custom tagline in the footer. If the tagline still appears after saving, your store may be using a custom or legacy theme that hardcodes the link. You can remove it directly in your Liquid files. Go to Online Store and click Themes. Click the 3 dots menu next to your active theme and select Edit Code. In the left sidebar under the Sections folder, click footer.liquid. Press Ctrl+F in Windows or CMD+F for Mac and search for powered_by_link. Select and delete the powered_by_link tag. Click Save. If you do not see changes immediately on your live website, clear your browser cache or open the page in an incognito window. Theme edits only apply to the active theme you modified. If you switch to a new theme in the future, you will need to repeat this quick setup. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.